guys, welcome back to another family reaction video. And since we love Eric Chien so much, we're reacting to a video of him
together with
meeting Sacred Riana.
Ooh.
Did you know that?
Do you know Sacred Riana?
The scary girl.
Yeah.
So let's see what Eric Chien will do. And if you're new to our channel,
please subscribe our videos. If you're already part of it, click the bell button to be notified.
Ah! Crazy. Okay, notified. Also,
hey, notified.
I'm Tatay.
I'm Nanay.
I'm Mika. I'm Jay.
And welcome to the family.
Everyone.
Are we ready?
Ready.
2019,
The winner.
is
What did he do? Again. Okay, wait.
Aray ko.
Oh, okay, so...
Trilogy Magic Factory.
So 3 red, 3 black.
2018-2019
So you can
champion.
face up shuffle these cards.
They just got talent, both of them.
Oil and
Now just imagine all the black cards are oil and the red cards are water.
Okay.
So if you keep them in a few seconds, they should separate. Just like this. You'll see all the black cards are now on top.
Whoa, yeah.
But the cool thing is if you take the water and oil, you shake it, they become mixed again. That's really interesting, right? But you know what? I'll take 3 cards. I'll take them away. Now you can see the cards are still mixed. Watch. All the black cards are now.
How did he do that?
The good thing is, there's only 3 black cards, and over here, 3 red cards. Here's something, you just pick any card you like, and go ahead and show it to everyone. Alright. Got it? Okay. Yep. Perfect. And just go ahead and put it back. Awesome. Now once again, the moment I flick the cards up, the 4 aces will fly out. It'll spin 20 times. The moment I catch it and spread, you will see the 4 aces. Now this is going to be a little hard, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, ready? 1. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. I dropped some cards, but you can see. 1, 2, 3. Here we have the 4 aces. I said I'll use the 4 aces to help me find your card. Just watch, the 4 aces will instantly melt to just 1 card. And what was your card? 7.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Point to card.
Pick any card you like and show it to everyone here.
Riana? Me? Riana, boleh?
I'm scared.
Oh, it's Sacred Riana choosing.
Go ahead and show it to everyone. Just pick it up and show it to everyone. Make sure you guys remember this card.
Dikit biar si kameranya ya.
Now, of course, at the very end, I am going to try to find this card. Now, do you know how to shuffle a deck of cards? Yes. Can you go ahead and shuffle the cards? Just shuffle the cards for me. Now, like I said in the very beginning, this is actually a coin trick. And I'll be using this coin to find your card. Okay, got it? Perfect. Now you can see on one face of the coin, it says yes. On the other side, it says no. So if I ask the coin a question, I'll toss it, and the coin will answer the question for me. And this will help me find your card. For example, is your card a black card? Don't say anything, okay? Is your card a black card? I just flip the coin. It says yes. Your card is a black card. Now in black cards, there's spade and clubs. Is your card a spade? I flip the coin. It says no. Is your card is not a spade? No. So it's a club. Now hold out your hand like this. And you're gonna catch the coin like that, okay?
With your hand?
Yeah. Okay. Is your card a face card? Just try to catch a coin. Perfect. Open it up. No, is your card not a face card? Is your card a face card?
Yes.
It is. It is a face card.
Yeah.
Huh. So the coin is wrong. That is really interesting. But you know what? At the very beginning, I did say that this coin will help me find your card.
Okay.
Okay. So I think it is a club. So that part is right. But if you watch the coin very closely, it'll actually...
The sacred Riana. Where did the coin go?
Mati. Mati. Mati.
Uy, you look at sacred Riana. Maybe he fell in love with her. Oh my god. Kudos to the people who... Let's see that. Where's that moment? I want to see that moment again. When he looked at Riana. Oh my god, I can't find it. Anyways. Yeah, that was another great performance.
I know it is a great.
How can he do that?
I know, he's a magician.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Did you even forgot?
Maybe baby you forgot. Did you forget? What the heck was that? Okay guys, so if you like this performance or video,
Click the thumbs up button and the like button.
we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.